Oh my goodness, the shape block itself has become even more powerful. So vertical lines has always been something that's really bugged me as to like wanting to go and do it. However, there's now with new Pro Tools, the ability to create something without any code. So if you go add block shape, I want to pop it in this gap here. Obviously I don't want to make it that kind of color, so let's just come in and change that. Now, ready? Scroll down to the new Pro Tools that are here, and all I'm going to do is drop this to be 1%. Like, how cool is that? Now, the only gotcha is on the phone, I can't get it any thinner than that. So if I come into this editing, I can't get any thinner than 1%. I can't do like 0.5%, but it's still like, oh no, hello. Live on the video. You've caught my instant reaction for here how you do it. Told you it was cool. So then we could obviously drop it here, but then we should, let's see if we can make that 2%. And then drop this into here. And then let's come back into here, because we can do the whole like mobile overrides. We can make that 1%. And then we can make that 2%. And then done. Told you it was cool.